Hello students. Today we will start lesson number 4.4 My Financial Career from last unit. My Financial Career is a humorous lesson of the writer's efforts to open an account in a bank. It has been written in a very easy to read and witty manner. Stephen Leacock, he was a Canadian writer, and in his lesson, My Financial Career, he humorously presents a person's first experience in the bank. He amuses the readers by exposing the narrator's tension and stupid actions in the bank. ये जो lesson है, this lesson is very humorous. We are going to laugh a lot in this lesson. The writer's first experience to open an account in the bank. So, students, first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel up till now, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I will upload any video, you will get notification. Now, let's start the lesson. When I go into a bank, I get rattled. Rattled means nervous. द क्लर्क्स रैटल मी, द विकेट्स रैटल मी. अब यहाँ पे विकेट का मतलब क्या है? वो क्रिकेट वाला विकेट नहीं. विकेट हियर अ स्मॉल ओपनिंग लाइक अ विंडो इन अ बैंक. अगर आप लोग बैंक कभी गए होंगे देन यू कैन सी दैट देर इज़ अ स्मॉल विंडो और वहाँ उसके पीछे से कुछ क्लर्क्स बैठते हैं एंड दे ऑपरेट फ्रॉम दैट विंडो. So the clerks rattle me, the wickets rattle me, the sight of the money rattles me, everything rattles me. The writer says that whenever I go to a bank, I get very nervous. Everything in the bank, the clerks rattle me, that window rattles me, money rattles me, everything in the bank rattles me. The moment I cross the threshold of a bank, threshold, entrance. The moment I cross the threshold of a bank, I'm a hesitating J. Here, J means a person who talks foolishly. If I attempt to transact business there, I become an irresponsible idiot. मतलब यहाँ पे राइटर का क्या कहना है that whenever he goes in the bank, everything confuses him. He just acts like a foolish. उसको कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता था कि अभी बैंक में जाकर क्या करना है. So he just becomes an irresponsible idiot. I knew this beforehand, but my salary had been raised to $50 a month, and I felt that the bank was the only place for it. Now, why did the writer want to go to the bank? Because the salary has been increased, and the writer has to open an account in the bank to put the salary of the month. So I shambled in. Shambled means walked in awkwardly and unsteadily manner. So I shambled in and looked timidly around at the clerks. I had an idea that a person about to open an account must needs consult the manager. Now see, here no need to consult the manager if you want to open an account in the bank. Simply what you have to do, you have to go in the bank, fill up the form, you can open the account with the help of that clerk also. But the writer thought that he needs to meet a manager to open an account. I went up to a wicket marked accountant. राइटर अभी कहाँ पर पहुँचा? वो विंडो जहाँ पर क्या लिखा था? अकाउंटेंट लिखा था. The accountant was a tall, cool devil. The very sight of him rattled me. My voice was sepulchral. That means gloomy, sorrowful. अकाउंटेंट की तरफ देखकर भी क्या हो गया? The writer felt very nervous. Can I see the manager? I said and added solemnly. That means sincerely, with dignity. Can I see the manager? I said and added solemnly, alone. I don't know why I said word alone. अभी गलती से क्या निकल गया राइटर के मुंह से? That can I see the manager? But what? Alone. क्या मैं अकेले में मैनेजर से मिल सकता हूँ? Certainly said the accountant and fetched him. The manager was a grave, calm man. I held my $56 clutched मतलब to hold tightly, in a crumpled ball, crumpled that is crushed. in my pocket. Are you the manager? I said. God knows I didn't doubt it. Yes, he said. Can I see you? I asked. Alone. I didn't want to say alone again, but without it the thing seemed self evident. मतलब वापस से गलती से क्या हो गया, राइटर के मुंह से क्या निकल गया? कैन आई सी यू अलोन? क्या मैं आपसे अकेले में मिल सकता हूँ? क्या मैं आपसे अकेले में बात कर सकता हूँ? द मैनेजर लुक्ड एट मी इन सम अलार्म. नाउ द मैनेजर वॉज ऑल्सो सरप्राइज्ड. आप लोग एक बैंक में जा रहे हैं, यू आर टॉकिंग टू द मैनेजर ऑफ द बैंक एंड यू आर आस्किंग हिम दैट येस आई वॉन्ट टू मीट अलोन. मतलब क्यों? कि या तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, या तो फिर आपके कोई पैसे चोरी हो गए, या फिर ट्रांजैक्शन में कोई डिफ़ॉल्ट है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम एंड देन ओनली यू गो एंड मीट द मैनेजर ऑफ द बैंक. So the manager looked at me in some alarm. The manager was also very surprised. He felt that I had an awful secret to reveal. अभी मैनेजर को क्या लग गया कि मुझे क्या है कि एक कोई सीक्रेट है मेरे पास में और वो मुझे सीक्रेट रिवील करना है. द मैनेजर थॉट दैट he had to reveal something in front of the manager, and that's why he is requesting him to meet alone. Come in here, he said, and led the way to a private room. He turned the key. We are safe from interruption here, he said. Sit down. We both sat down and looked at one another. I found no voice to speak. अभी क्या हो गया, वो मैनेजर राइटर को एक रूम में लेके गया अकेले, where there would be no interruption. Now the manager said, come on, speak, we are alone, and if you have any problem, you can share with me. But I found no voice to speak. राइटर के पास कुछ था ही नहीं बोलने के लिए. You are one of Pinkerton's men, I presume, he said. Pinkerton मतलब कौन? Nation's first and most prominent private police force in the early 1950s, started by a Scottish immigrant, Alan Pinkerton. अभी वो मैनेजर को क्या लग गया कि ये कोई पुलिस से है, कोई जासूस है, कोई डिटेक्टिव है. He had gathered from my mysterious manner that I was a detective. I knew what he was thinking and it made me worse. अभी राइटर को मालूम था कि वो उसके बारे में क्या सोच रहा है. No, not from Pinkertons. I said seemingly. Seemingly means evidently. To imply that I came from a rival agency. To tell the truth, I went on as if I had been prompted to lie about it. I am not a detective at all. I have come to open an account. I intend to keep all my money in this bank. अभी क्या बोल दिया राइटर ने? नो, आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम द टीम ऑफ पिंकर्टन्स मैन, बट आई एम जस्ट हियर टू ओपन एन अकाउंट. मेरी सैलरी बढ़ गई है और मुझे आपके बैंक में एक अकाउंट खोलना है. द मैनेजर लुक्ड रिलीव्ड but still serious. He concluded now that I was son of Baron Rothschild or a young Gold. Baron Rothschild, the wealthiest, most influential man of that time, and Gold, one of the richest men of that time. A large account, I suppose, he said. Fairly large, I whispered. Fairly large, I whispered. I propose to deposit $56 now and $50 a month regularly. अभी ऑथर ने क्या बोल दिया? मुझे एक बड़ा सा अकाउंट खोलना है आपके बैंक में. आई सपोज टू डिपॉजिट $56 नाउ. अभी मुझे कितने डिपॉजिट करने हैं? $56. एंड $50 पर मंथ आई एम गोइंग टू डिपॉजिट. So the manager got up and opened the door. He called to the accountant. Mr. Montgomery, he said unkindly loud, this gentleman is opening an account. He will deposit $56. Good morning. तो अभी उसने किसको बुला दिया मैनेजर ने? He got up and opened the door and called the accountant, Mr. Montgomery. He called the accountant and asked that this guy is supposed to open an account, so you can meet this accountant and he will help you. Good morning, I rose. A big iron door stood open at the side of the room. Good morning, I said and stepped into the safe. Come out, said the manager coldly and showed me the other way. I went up to the accountant's wicket and poked the ball of money at him with a quick, convulsive movement as if I were doing a conjuring trick. अभी क्या कर दिया उसने राइटर ने? वो गया अकाउंटेंट के साथ में, उसकी जो विंडो थी वहाँ पर गया. ही पोक्ड मीन्स पुश द बॉल ऑफ मनी एट हिम विद अ क्विक कन्वल्सिव मूवमेंट. कन्वल्सिव मतलब जर्की. एज इफ आई वर डूइंग अ कॉन्ज्यूरिंग ट्रिक. उसका तरीका कैसा था, उसकी मेथड कैसी थी कि जैसे वो कोई तंत्र मंत्र जो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, वैसे वो कोई परफॉर्म कर रहा है. My face was ghastly pale. Here I said, deposit it. The tone of the words seemed to mean, let us do this painful thing while the fit is on us. He took the money and gave it to another clerk. He made me write the sum on a slip and sign my name in a book. I no longer knew what I was doing. The bank swam before my eyes. अभी वो राइटर को समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या करना है. ही फेल्ट वेरी नर्वस और सारी पूरी की पूरी बैंक उसकी आंखों के सामने क्या हो गया, घूमने लग गई. डिजीनेस, डिजी बोलते हैं ना, गीड़ी चक्कर आना. ओके, द बैंक स्वैम बिफोर माई आइज. वो बैंक पूरी की पूरी राइटर के आंखों के सामने घूमने लग गई. Is it deposited? I asked in a hollow, vibrating voice. It is, said the accountant. Then I want to draw a check. अभी क्या बोल दिया और राइटर को कि यस, आपकी अमाउंट जो है वो डिपॉजिट हो गई है. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ अ चेक. माई आइडिया वॉज टू ड्रॉ आउट $6 ऑफ इट फॉर प्रेजेंट यूज़. Someone gave me a checkbook through a wicket, and someone else began telling me how to write it out. The people in the bank had the impression that I was an invalid millionaire. I wrote something on the check and thrust it in at the clerk. He looked at it. अभी चेकबुक उसको भरती तो आती नहीं थी, तो उसने कुछ के कुछ लिख दिया वहाँ पे, and he gave that checkbook to the another clerk. What? Are you drawing it all out again? He asked in surprise. Then I realized that I had written 56 instead of 6. अभी राइटर ने कितनी अमाउंट डिपॉजिट की थी? $56. और उसको वापस निकालनी कितनी थी? ओनली $6. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग 6 उसने कितने लिख दिया अमाउंट? इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग 6 ही रोट 56. I was too far gone to reason now. I had a feeling that it was impossible to explain the thing. All the clerks had stopped writing to look at me. अभी वो क्लर्क भी एकदम सरप्राइज हो गया कि अभी तो इस आदमी ने $56 अमाउंट डिपॉजिट किए एंड नाउ नाउ ही वांट टू विड्रॉ ऑल द अमाउंट. द क्लर्क वाज आल्सो वेरी सरप्राइज. Reckless with misery, I made a plunge. Yes, the whole thing. You withdraw your money from the bank? Every cent of it? Are you not going to deposit any more? Said the clerk, astonished. The clerk was also very surprised. कि आप पूरी की पूरी अमाउंट अभी तो आपने डाली, तो क्या पूरी की पूरी अमाउंट आप अभी निकाल रहे हो? He was also very surprised. Are you not going to deposit any more? Said the clerk, astonished. Never. An idiot hope struck me that they might think something had insulted me while I was writing the check and that I had changed my mind. I made a wretched attempt to look like a man with a fearfully quick temper. The clerk prepared to pay the money. अभी उसने क्या एक्टिंग कर दी कि जैसे वो राइटर बहुत गुस्से में है, उसको बहुत गुस्सा आया है. एंड यस, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू विड्रॉ ऑल द अमाउंट फ्रॉम माई अकाउंट फ्रॉम द बैंक. The clerk prepared to pay the money. How will you have it? He said. What? How will you have it? Oh, I caught his meaning and answered without even trying to think in 50s. He gave me a $50 bill. And the 6? He asked dryly. Dryly. That means in a humorous way. In 6s, I said. He gave it me and I rushed out. As the big door swung behind me, I caught the echo of a roar of laughter that went up to the ceiling of the bank. Since then, I bank no more. I keep my money in cash in my trousers pocket and my savings in silver dollars in a sock. That means, see, such a humorous story it is. वो राइटर ने क्या किया, वो एक बार he used to get very nervous whenever he goes in a bank. But one day he went to the bank, he met the manager, then he asked to open an account, then he met an accountant, he deposited $56 and he again wanted to withdraw $6 for his usage. But instead of writing $6 on the check, what he did, he wrote $56. मतलब जितनी भी अमाउंट उसने डिपॉजिट की थी, he thought that he is going to withdraw all the amount. The clerks were also very surprised. So they asked him in some alarm, they asked very surprisingly that, are you going to withdraw all the amount? Now the writer showed that yes, he was very angry and he don't want to keep any amount in their account. So he said that yes, I am going to withdraw all the amount from your bank. So he withdrew all the amount from the bank, and as soon as he left the bank, what happened? The whole staff of the bank started laughing. So from that day, the writer decided that he will never go to a bank. उस दिन से उसने क्या डिसाइड किया, that he will never go to a bank. So he never went to bank from that day, and he used to keep his money in cash in his trousers pocket and his savings in silver dollars in a sock. So this was all about the writer very humorous lesson, My Financial Career. So students, here we have completed our lesson. Read the lesson, mark all the difficult words and learn all the meanings. So students, we will stop here. We will meet in next video. Stay home, stay safe all of you. Bye all of you.